The Southern Colonies by Noah and Lizandro. Come to the Southern Colonies, including Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, South Carolina, and Maryland. Plus, no religious persecutions. Natural resources. Do you like living in a place that is not a dump? Well, come to the Southern Colonies, where we have trees, fertile soil, indigo, cotton, and rice. You can live happy, plus you get religious freedom.
What's your next slide about?
Oh, I wanted to add a meme in there where it's like, we're curving climate across the screen. The more you know. And it says, the more you know.
The more you know.
And then Kirby's like, wow.
So what was your... So what category was this going to be about?
I have to add.
What category was that going to be about?
I think I erased it.
So look, remember, this was the sheet. These are all the different points you guys were supposed to touch on.
Oops. Yay. Human resources.
All right. Well, these were the categories you guys were supposed to touch on. What about? So you're talking about good neighbors. What part of that on here? What part was that answering on here about good neighbors? What was that related to?
The neighbors.
I'm talking about from this. This is what your product is being graded on. These are all the different categories that you guys are supposed to touch on. So this was the map. So you guys did that. That was just slide 1.
Yep.
Then it says at least 2 examples of colonial people. Oh, this is your good neighbors?
Yeah.
All right. So what would be an example of what type of neighbors are you talking about?
Not loud neighbors.
Now, when they say examples of colonial people, I think they probably talking about like types of jobs, like skilled labor or unskilled labor, or. But that's related to your good neighbors. But what type of people do you want to talk about? So in the Southern Colonies.
I can put, do you like living next to a person that is a blacksmith? I don't know.
So let's look on here.
It's so hard with Lizandro not here.
You're doing a good job. So what about this here? Where you're talking about your good neighbors? We mentioned something about wealthy plantation owners, where they say what type of people would you find?
Do you like living next to a plantation?
At least 2 examples of colonial people found in this region. So one example could be the rich plantation owners. Or you could. You want to mention that, or what you want to mention?
I'm gonna add a text box right here.
No. So good. Wait, does it sound like you just delete the recording? Try again. Can I do it now? Okay, no, Paul, try again. Okay, so how do you work this? Paul, please try again.
Plantation owner or what?
Do you want to say farmer?
Farmer?
You're like, please. Hey, thank you for your $8. Where's the microphones at? Hold on. No, hold on. Yeah.
Say good name. They said, would you like to live next to a rich plantation owner?
Yeah, or a farmer. And then I have to. Ooh. and then I have to do that.
Well, you could say,
Take this human resources, and I have to move it over here. I have to make that. How do I make you bigger? Da-da-da-da.
so do you like living next to a wealthy plantation owner? Or you could say, or would you like to work for a wealthy plantation owner as a farmer? Do you like living next to a wealthy plantation owner? Or would you like to work for a wealthy plantation owner as a farmer?
Alright.
Or this part, or make it part of this sentence, or you can make it a separate sentence, either one.
Yeah. Farmer, and then.
Do you like living, or do you like living next to a wealthy plantation owner? You can make that a sentence by itself about the wealthy plantation owner. Or would you like to? Or what about, you could mention something about, remember they had private teachers, private tutors, or would you like to be a private teacher? As a private teacher? For the boys? And that lets her know that you knew that, remember, the teaching was for the boys and the girls weren't allowed.
The guessing, the autocorrect is on point.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna add a question mark at the end?
Yeah.
Okay. And you might you gonna record this part, and then you can stop. That'd probably be a good place to stop. You wanna record this part? You want to record your voice there? Okay. So what slide
We'll
was
do that tomorrow.
What slide was that?
That's 3.
Slide 3. Okay.
Oh wait, I'm gonna say.
Did you want to add see if you can add another picture? So see if you have a picture of see if you can add a picture of a plantation here. Did you guys have a picture saved already of the plantation? See if you have a picture saved of the plantation.
Ooh, no, the eye is not supposed to be there.
Because you need to add a picture here. You have all words right now. You need to add a picture.
A picture?
Yeah, see if you have a picture of a plantation. No, not a plant showing the building or the house. Or
Yay.
human resources, you want to see some people.
Oh, yeah, alright.
Any of the pictures have people in them? Look see if any of your pictures have people in them.
I think one of them had people.
This doesn't look like a neighborly picture. This probably wouldn't be a good picture. There's no houses, no neighbors, no people.
I don't think we got pictures.
No, I can stay after school.
Yeah.
Will this be the type of picture? Alright, so think about what you're doing now. You're advertising people coming to live. That wouldn't be the picture that you'd want to use, would it? I mean, you might use this picture on a different slide, but not on the slide showing.
Yeah, so that's a